To use the auto add to block list function, you first have to create a custom label. This is because the auto add to block list feature only works with a custom label. So, if you navigate to the AI reply labels page, you can add your custom label. Let's say we want to create a label named Do Not Contact and set the sentiment type to negative. If you want AI labeling to work automatically, you will need to enable this feature and also enable auto add to block list. Basically, what happens is that when this label is assigned to a lead, the lead will be automatically added to your block list. Once I enable that and add the label, you can see that AI label detection is already turned on here. It's strongly recommended that you use your own AI prompt for categorization to ensure that a lead won't be unintentionally added to the Do Not Contact label. For example, I would put something like if the lead replies unsubscribe or conveys that they do not want to receive further emails, or if they use any swear words. Then categorize it as Do Not Contact. This ensures that the detection will not mislabel the lead as Do Not Contact. Now save it. What happens now is that whenever a lead replies, our AI label detection will try to categorize the label. If the reply is detected as Do Not Contact, it will be automatically added to the block list. Also, if you do not want to enable AI labeling, you can manually change the label in Unibox so that once you change the label, for example in this case, if I change it to Do Not Contact, it's already detected. So now, since it's already detected as Do Not Contact, if you look at the block list, you can see that it has been automatically added to the block list. What happened here is that I was sending the email to lead@Pipl.ai, and the reply actually came from Kurtz@Pipl.ai, which is why both the lead email and the actual reply email have been added to the block list.